Are you ready to unlock the wisdom of your heart and step into your highest potential? Welcome to Scalar Heart Connection, a revolutionary method that helps you break free from limiting beliefs, ancestral conditioning, and subconscious patterns that hold you back. In this online training, you will discover how to access heart consciousness, decode life lessons, and align with your soul's purpose. Whether you are a coach, healer, therapist, or simply someone seeking deep personal growth, this course is your getaway to transformation. You will learn about the science behind scalar energy and its healing power, how your chakras reveal hidden patterns, how to shift generational beliefs, how the quantum healing codes bring clarity, harmony, and abundance, practical tools to integrate heart wisdom into daily life.
This work bridges science and faith. It's the integration humanity needs right now.
I've searched my whole life for answers. Scalar Heart Connection helped me find them within my own divine heart.
Join a global community of heart-centered practitioners. Upon completion, you can become a certified Scalar Heart Connection practitioner. Sign up now and receive exclusive bonuses: the Quantum Healing Codes ebook, audio tracks to guide your healing journey, a Scalar Heart Connection audio meditation to redirect scalar energy for deep healing, and 6 weeks free trial of the practitioner version, and a free session and mentorship. Start your journey today. This is your moment to transform your life and help others do the same. Click the link below to learn more and to enroll. Your heart is calling. Will you answer?